marigold flower as well. You split them up and stir. Well done. They're so beautiful, and they come in so many different colors. Look at that. Look at the details inside. So beautiful. They're amazing. Now Chinese green. It's the cabbage. The cabbage that we actually just sell seed by itself in our own garden. And start with this one. This is one of my favorite flowers. They have actually very sweet honey, at the end, from behind of the flower. This one here is medicinal. Now, another thing that we're going to use is olives. We're going to use a little bit of gherkin. We're going to use this beautiful red beetroot. Will go very nice with the colors. The Greek style coconut yogurt. And we also use the humus. So, what is it that we're going to do? Here we have got 3 different sizes of bread. And I have got a knife right here. What I'm actually going to do, I'm going to pretend that I am a doctor. So I'm going to cut this one, giving an operation. You can cut them in whatever shape you like, because cooking, it's all about play. And you empty this one out.
And give it to Eugene.
Oh.
This is the cob.
The cob. So
we got these at Baker's Delight.
Run around with a knife, and with my hand I lift it up. This one here, we can actually put it on the sides, and we just pull this one out and leave them on the side. What do you think I'm going to do? I have got something looking like that, and it need to look a little bit neat and tidy. We actually do it with our eyes. So we decorate, and that one is actually done. Can you see what happened? So when we cook, it's not really a chore. It's a play. That one is actually done now. I'll just set them aside. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to get a bowl. I need a bowl. Oh, Eugene, can you and cut them small, because I like things is actually cut small. Whatever you have, you can actually use cauliflower. You can actually use different things. What is that one? Capsicums. I'm going to go ahead and put all these flowers in there. In branch, you can actually see the colors actually change, and also the greeny tasting thing is not there anymore. I'm going to put some blueberries in there as well, not too much, right? And I put marigolds in there already. That's all. Can you just get rid of the flower only for me? Like having curly leaf parsley. That is go-to color. So when you actually have got something smells like that, another thing you can actually do, you can actually get a larger leaf and wrap them up. That way you can actually put them very nicely in there. Otherwise, you don't. You just squeeze them up in one. And the beginning bit, you just cut the beginning, and then you just push the other one at the back. So that way you get all the nice small one. You squeeze them and you pick them up, and you squeeze them and you pick them up. And that's how you actually will get things actually cut small.
Morning, chili.
We actually put 1 chili in there. The chili is actually from Tom's garden. So cut them small as well and pop them all in. Oh, I can smell the chili already. Can you smell the chili? And I'm going to use the something crunchy. Something that is actually crunchy. So same thing, you want to cut them small. So how is it that you cut them small? So you just slide them small first. Sliding them first. Oh, same thing with celery, right? If you actually don't like the raw taste of the celery, you just blanch them in hot water. You don't have to put them into the boiling water into the pot at all. Bamboo sticks.
No.
Yeah. So how is it that you
Concrete. Yeah.
Especially bamboo, very, very sustainable.
Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah.
You can actually see this is almost like a salad dried, salad looking now. It's not just one and it's not just two, but it's actually many. And this is actually a very good way to practice. This is for me is Buddhism, because that is actually reminded me that, we all we all interconnected. It's not that, like you just need one eye, you just need one fingers. You need the 10 fingers. You're not just, the coconut tree. We're talking about the pickers. We're talking about all those people, the truck drivers, all the great conditions that is actually being this beautiful food into this bowl, and not to mention the cat trying to actually to be involved as well. All those people, the clouds, what else, Eugene? Maybe Eugene can help me.
Maybe even the financial people that actually arrange for all these transactions
Sure.
to take place.
That's
And
right.
for people to be paid, the farmers to be paid.
The whole system, isn't it? The same thing as we all.
Also the electricity that's powering the lights here, so we can cook at this time.
Yeah.
So much that goes into the electricity system. Yeah, it's
Yes, and we actually, another practice is actually for me is that we make that choice. We take full responsibility, and we make that choice clearly. For Sam to give me the date to celebrate. So I also use olive as well, because I love olives. The skies is the limit. So listen to your tummy, listen to your body, talk to your friends, and checking in your fridge, what is it that actually you need to use up?
What happens?
Salt?
really delicious.
You don't need salt.
Just add salt afterwards, but you can't take salt out.
I love adding salt, yeah.
Yeah.
But I haven't added any salt in here, but of course we actually have salt in celeries.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hummus actually have a little bit of salt. So what happened, I don't know, you can see, once you actually done it, you just basically spoon into here. You can also use the same thing for your biscuit as well. You can actually use the spring roll skin and put a little bit of oil behind it, and put them into the Lebanese bread. Put them into the oven and creating a bowls like this, a bowl like things like this, and then you fill these things in. And this one here, this whole bowls here is going to go deep here and here.
Sir? Oh, yeah.
And I heard that Eugene and Tom is hungry. Now another thing also that you can actually add in here is apple.
Approved method of eating this is to sit around and tear pieces of bread off and dip it in the delicious
So what happened is
sauce
it
chomp, chomp, chomp.
imagining that we actually have got 5 of us here or 10 of us here, all the fingers goes in and just rip it up. Just rip up the bread and just put it in. And put it out.
Pardon?
You're recording it.
Yeah.
Just politely.
So you're just imagining that many hands, right? If I eat this by myself, it doesn't taste that good. If I have got 10 hands here, that will taste much, much, much better. There you go. They're much, much more. I also use rosemary flowers and other as well. Now do actually go ahead and eat the flowers.